morning, everybody, and happy 4th of July. You know, I am actually an American citizen right now. I became a citizen about 3 years ago and very proud to be one. Okay, so today's topic is fiber. Just what you want to hear about on the 4th of July. But you know what? You're probably grilling out and putting all those beautiful plant-powered veggies on your grill, which means that you are getting a lot of fiber. You know what you want to aim for on a plant-based diet? You want to aim for about 40 grams of fiber a day. Now, the fiber that you're going to get from eating whole foods and from whole food plants is basically going to meet those needs, so you don't have to sort of count it and watch it too much anyway. But here's the thing with fiber. Why fiber is so important is, as we've already mentioned, it is a huge driver of weight loss. That's number one. Number two, it is detoxifying. That's how we cleanse. That's how we detox. So you don't have to go to the health food store and buy these expensive cleansing detox programs, powders, smoothies, and supplements. No, you do not. All you need to do is to eat a fully whole food plant-powered diet. You see, it's actually quite magical. Now, the other thing about fiber is don't worry too much about grains. Grains are very, very important to include in your diet. That's where you're going to get a lot of your fiber. Obviously, if you're celiac or if you're gluten intolerant or gluten sensitive, then you can look for grains, really healthy grains such as quinoa and millet, and some of the more unusual grains such as teff, even spelt, and oats. Of course, gluten-free oats are a wonderful grain and a wonderful form of fiber. So I want to encourage you to really include as many of these grains as possible. And the main reason is this: when you include these grains, guess what? Guess what's going to be happy? Your gut is going to be super duper happy, because grains and all this fiber feeds the good bacteria in your gut. And since our microbiome, which is our gut health, is the absolute foundation of our health and wellness, you are going such a long way to make that happen by way of a fully plant-powered diet. You're doing yourself a huge, huge favor. Now, very quickly, if you have, and this is a frequently asked question, if you have IBS, if you have Crohn's, if you have any inflammatory gut disorder, then you still can be healthy and well on a whole food plant-powered diet. Many studies now show us. It used to be the indication, or it certainly used to be prescribed, that if you have these conditions that you shouldn't introduce more fiber. This has now been revised, that you can have all this fiber from a fully plant-powered diet. And the only caveat would be that if you have any of these conditions, just go really easy on the raw foods. Gently cooked steamed foods is probably the way to go for you for easy digestion. And the recipe today, my friends, is one of my absolute favorites, and that is my fabulous fiber flatbreads. They're really easy to cook, and once you've tried these, there will be no going back. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow.